Welcome, everyone. In this video, we'll see how you can use DataSnipper to perform your grant agreement review procedures. In this use case, we're going to be extracting data from our grant agreement in order to make a summary review. In our Excel workbook, we have a table to document our testing, as well as our imported supporting documentation. To start our review, we'll use Smart Search to look up specific keywords related to the data we want to extract. Then we'll use DataSnipper to extract said data into our Excel worksheet. This process should be repeated for all items we want to review. For certain information like fiscal data, which we want to extract in a table structure, use DataSnipper to do so. Finally, check and validate the signatures on the agreement using our validation and exception snips. This concludes our grant agreement reviews for government audits. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to check out our knowledge base to learn more. Happy snipping!